we're picking collards, Brussels sprouts,
Yum.
Detroit dark red beets, spinach, market cabbage, collards, one little pumpkin. All right, so we are going to go plant some seeds.
Yay!
Yay! So what we've decided, that's not comfortable at all. What we've decided is we're going to plant 2 of the pumpkins, and I don't think you guys can see. No light's bad. And we're going to plant them along this edge, and we're going to push them out through the fence and let them actually grow over to that other side so that it's not taking over our center walking space. Okay, 2 pumpkin seeds went. Connecticut field pumpkins are what these are. Right there. Oh man, that's a rock. Oh, I'm gonna put that rock to mark where I planted these. All right, so this is a super deep area. We're recording this, or I would have no idea where anything is planted. It'd be a full-on guessing game. Okay, so we still have this whole area, so I'm thinking beets. Because I don't think the beets will compete with the squash that's right there behind the camera. How much of your body do you want in this? Right here. Let's get right.
Don't matter anymore.
Okay, so we've got the southern collards and the spinach, which are another big leafy thing. Whoops, dropped one. So maybe we plant those there, and then we've got cabbage. Actually, cabbages are going to be big.
Yep.
But these are also older seeds, and we want to put all that whole back space we want to make into Brussels sprouts, because we both love it.
Right, let's go get some Brussels planted. Man down.
Okay, so something else is actually happening here. It looks like something is eating my sweet pepper plants. I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like you can't. That one's almost gone. That one looks eaten. That one looks chomped on. Everything is falling apart. And I just saw a grasshopper, so I think it's a grasshopper, which is not cool. We did have the ducks in here, but then they climbed up into this bed because it's not tall enough. And so we have not put them back in today. And I'm kind of feeling like we need to get that fixed so that they can come back in here so that the grasshoppers don't eat my garden, because then I would be sad. Look how big the chickens are. I think that one wants to fight me. The older turkeys are doing really well. One looks like a silver is what Marcy said. Those are those 2 right there. The rest of these are the chickens. Hoping I get at least 1 rooster and 1 hen out of that group. That one looks like I had a wild night of partying. Look at that guy. Hey, party pal.
His feathers are all tweaked out.
All kinds of tweaked out. But they all of a sudden look really good. The ducks are ginormous, which I know I say all the time. But look at that. Are you singing the song of your people? Where's our one duck that wasn't doing well? Is that her? Yep, that's her. Right there that just laid down. She has an owie. She or he has an owie. So we're monitoring that one.
The beak is light, so I would say it's probably
A he. Okay, we got these guys in their own space. She has a little buddy. There's nothing wrong with him. But she is not, as you can tell, wanting to really use that leg. Guess we'll watch her for a couple more days, see if she gets any better. And if not, we may have to cull her. I gave these guys a bigger water bucket. Scooted over. Somebody already pooped in it. Because, you know, they're ducks. See? So we got one guy. Oh, we got two of those one guys. It's a 2-duck bucket. Okay, Justin was chasing wasps, and he acted like he got stung. Settle down there, mister. I think his little face is swelling. Here. Hold still. She's not going to get your milk. Oh my gosh, these dogs have started guarding the bag of goat milk. Are you being silly?
I'll guard you.
Justin. Settle down. Justin. I want to see your face. I want to see your face. Can't tell. I feel like this side of his little lip is swelling. Oh, it is. He's going to have some Benadryl.
Oh, honey.
What you doing, Chloe? He's your fuzzy face? You got a fuzzy face? Oh, bud. You're the baby. Oh, you're the baby. Oh, look at that little nose.
Here it is.